Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing with you a video all about Christmas, how to decorate on a budget, and what I got for $20 at a thrift shop for Christmas. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Lisa Heiss with the Frugal Living Network. I love sharing how to live on a budget, frugal living, healthy recipes, cleaning and organizing, encouragement, scripture, and so much more. So guys, today I wanted to share with you what I got, 20 bucks. That was my budget for Christmas decor at a thrift shop. So I hit the budget. Literally, you guys, my bill was $20.32. I could not believe it. So I hit up a local Kiwanis store where I live, in the town I live, and they had 50% off everything in the store, and I could not believe it. And so I wanted to decorate, but do it on a budget, but also still have, have it like not super expensive items, but for it to look really nice, because I'm actually hosting for Christmas this year. And so over the next couple weeks, I'm going to be sharing tons of fun videos on how to host, some great recipes, some items that you guys will love, and how to do it on a budget, and also maybe some ways to save money and eat healthy and decorate and all of those good things, and even maybe some baking recipes. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm gonna dive in and share with you guys what I got today for $20.32. I cannot believe it. So I don't have the table decorated yet, so I will be sharing shortly, either in this video or another video. So this is something that I got. It is, it's Entertain Tonight. It is a set of charger plates, and I was actually really looking for these. I was so excited that I found this. So this was regularly $14.95, and I got it 50% off, so like what, $7.50. It does have a set of 12. I only need 4 or 6 this year, but who knows, I can always use more or always have more just in case if I host more people. So super excited to have these. I'm gonna decorate with these plates. I think that would be awesome. And then I was looking for a kind of a Christmas sweater cardigan. We always love to look nice and look cute if it's a Christmas party, or if you're going out and about looking at Christmas lights, or even to host when you're hosting. So I found this really adorable little cardigan. I could not believe it. It's so cute. It's from Ann Taylor, one of my favorite stores ever. The cost was $6.95 and then 50% off. So what is that, $3.50? I could not believe it. I love this little cardigan sweater. $3.50 to be able to just wear red for Christmas and for parties, etc. And then I'm super excited to get these little these are like little ring wraps, so you put them around the napkins, napkin holders, that's what I'm trying to say. And then these are the napkins that I got. I thought they were so pretty. So these are 4 for $3.95, so basically $2 for 4 of them. They're really pretty. So I am actually going to decorate with, I need to cut these, but so I will actually decorate with these. So I think they're just so pretty. How are you guys decorating for Christmas? I would love to know. Comment below. What is your favorite Christmas tradition? What do you love to do? So this is just kind of like a how-to video, but this is what what I'm gonna do eventually with my table. And then I got these really cute little bulbs. They had a ton of them. Basically, you got like 10 for $5, or 10 for, I'm sorry, $1. And I thought it was gonna be really cute. So this, I love this little decor with balls and things like that. I've got some pine cones, so I thought it'd be really cute. Just put a few of these inside. And then I got these really pretty little decor bulbs also, and that I got like, I think it was like 10 bulbs for $1. I thought they were so beautiful. They're just like gold and silver and red and all of that. I just thought these were so pretty. And then I was so blessed. I was gifted some really pretty red earrings for free. So I am really excited to be able to wear these for Christmas or for holiday parties. Or out and about to go see Christmas lights. Cannot wait. So I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about decorating, how I decorated for Christmas, so stay tuned. I will be sharing some ton of more videos about that. But lastly, I wanted to share with you something that I got at a store. I forgot the name of it. I apologize. It'll hopefully come to me when I'm filming this video. So this is ornaments. 30 for $6. I thought this was so cute. So it's got like white and turquoise, silver and red and all of that. And I actually want to do some cute little fun, maybe put some from my Cricut. I have a Cricut, and putting like little like joy or hope or love or peace, different little stickers on these light bulbs, and then give them for presents. So I will share that idea later in another video if I go ahead and do that. So anyways, guys, I thought I would just share. So I did actually get quite a few of these little guys of the napkin holders. I thought they were so cute. But basically this is what I got for $20 at a local thrift shop to be able to decorate my table. And I thought, and also have a really cute, pretty sweater to be able to do holiday parties and Christmas parties. So it is time to actually clean the table and actually get it started and decorating. I am so excited, you guys. I cannot even tell you how much I am loving Christmas this year. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the table. Sometimes I use Meyer's products. This is just kind of a product that I like. This one is lavender. It's a little bit strong, but I do enjoy it. It's just kind of a clean scent. I haven't gotten the Christmas scent from the Meyer's, but yeah. Okay, so the table is all clean and wiped down now. So what I want to do is go ahead and start doing some of the just main table decoration, and then I'll go ahead and put the placemats out. So this table I actually got at IKEA for, oh no, I'm sorry, I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks, and it actually pulls out. It's an IKEA table that I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. So it pulls out and it has a leaf, and it can actually do places of 6, which is great. And then these chairs are IKEA chairs also. I got these from Facebook Buy Nothing. I got these chairs for free. I thought they were so beautiful. I got 6 of them, so I don't have, I think I have 5 left. I think I got rid of one because I didn't have a place to store the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in regards to decorating the main middle piece. So I have this is from Pier 1. I thought this was really pretty. I got this quite a while ago. I've had this just around. And then this little gold piece in the middle is so pretty. I think it's so simple. I have done so many decor on this table, so many ways of decorating just with this gold little leaf placemat. I thought it was so pretty. I think I got this at Walmart for, I think, $2 a couple of, like a year ago or something. So I thought that was really pretty. So what I want to do is definitely keep it simple, classy, classic looking, but definitely along the theme of natural, and also, you know, just pops of red, which I like. So I love pine cones. I think pine cones are so pretty. This is just a fake pine cone, little circular, which will go right in the middle. And then I love this. So this is just a decor glassware that I think can be used in so many ways. I've used it in so many different holiday table sets, and I just put different things in it for different holidays, which is so fun. So I have these little natural balls. These are really pretty. And then I've been starting to put just little lights or little bulbs in here. I thought they were so pretty. So I like this one. It's really natural looking. So I'm just gonna kind of start placing a few of the bulbs in here. This one's so pretty. It's like gold stars, you guys. It's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna kind of do just a few. And then maybe just place a few around here. I think these are really cute. Okay, so that's a little bit of just the middle. Okay, I might add a few more of the bulbs. I'm not quite sure yet, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is the place setting that I'm actually going to be using. These I actually got at Walmart, oh my goodness, I think 2 years ago, but they're just a natural coloring, which is so nice because then you can like pop it with all the different colors. I really like it. So I got these, I think, for $1 or $1.99 at Walmart. I have quite a few of those. So these are the plates that I got. I thought they were so beautiful. And then these are the actual plates that I'm using, or these are the chargers, I'm sorry. These are the chargers that I'm going to be using. And then I love these plates. I got these at, actually through a coworker. We had a little cute Christmas haul of like, exchange of like decorations and different things like that. And these were some of the plates. I love the snowmen. I just think they're so cute. They have like white and kind of natural coloring, a little bit of gray in them. So I'm just gonna put them down here. And then just like cute little coffee mugs that we'll drink some coffee on. So those are really cute. All right, so here is the napkins that I got. Like I said, I got 4 of these for $2. I cannot even fathom that I got them so cheap. And I just love these little red napkin holders. I think they're so pretty. So the trick, so my mom or my grandma taught me, so what you want to do in regards to decorate, or how to do the napkin holders, if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below how you do your napkin holders. So what you want to do is kind of like fluff it over, have kind of like a little bit of a tail on it, and then hold the napkin holder down so it's kind of like in the middle. I just think it's so pretty. So cute. Okay, so here is the rest of the table set. I'm going to go ahead and put those out. And then here's another bowl. Another one. Okay. All right. There we go. So the table is set, you guys. I don't have like silverware out, obviously, because I am not hosting right this minute. But I just love this table. I feel like it is simple, it's natural looking with pops of red and so pretty and on a budget, you guys. I just love it. I think it's just gonna be so festive and beautiful if I have friends over the next couple weeks through the Christmas season, have my family over on Christmas Day. I just think it turned out wonderful. I love it. So anyways, guys, so this is my Christmas haul of getting a few items to decorate on a budget. If you guys love things like this, decorating, organizing, frugal living, practical tips on how to live on a budget, I'm going to be sharing so much more, you guys, into the new year of January. Just also some words of encouragement and faith. If you guys love this stuff, I would love to have you guys as a subscriber. So hit the subscribe down below, and then also feel free to follow me over on Instagram, Frugal Living Network. So guys, this was so much fun, you guys. I am so excited. This next couple of weeks, I'm going to be sharing tons of more videos, inspiration in regards to cooking, and some ideas for you guys for maybe some baking on a budget, some fun recipes, and so much.